Hi viewers. In this video we are going to see about how we can make use of ifs and switch function. So I have got a sample data of 10 players with how many matches they have played, runs, centuries and their 50s and the best score. So we need to find out a batting average, strike rate, and status based on these conditions, or we can say that criteria. So let me start with status. So status, I'm going to use if it is a greater than 1000, good, or else it is average. So basically, this if condition it will work on either true or false. It's a logical. So let us start with if tab. So first find out what are all parts we have. Logical test. If condition satisfy, give me true or else false. So let us take runs. If it is greater than 1000, then it is good. So in double quotes we have to give whenever you are adding syntax like string or text or else average. So in the place of first logical text, we are giving if the cell reference that is runs is greater than 1000, if the condition matches or satisfy, give me good. That is instead of true, we are giving good, and instead of false, we are giving average. Then enter. Then shift down arrow, control D. So wherever it is greater than 1000, we are getting good. So far we have two good, others are average. Next, we will use strike rate with the help of a function ifs. Okay, equal to ifs. So here lightly different, or I can say slightly it is different. So logical test and true. That's all we have in this. So like this, we can have around 255 arguments. Okay. So for this, we are going to use all these conditions. That is, if it is matches is greater than 20, can give us experienced. If century is greater than or equal to 3, it is achiever. If greater than 50 is greater than or equal to 5, he is a consistent. Otherwise, standard. So let us start. So first is matches B2 cell reference greater than 20. Let us give us experienced. Then centuries. Here is the centuries. If centuries is greater than or equal to 3, then he is a achiever. Then okay, then if it is greater than 50 is greater than or equal to 5, then he is a consistent. Otherwise, he is a standard. So instead of that, we are giving as true as a logic, then standard. That's it. So in this, it is slightly different from if condition where we have logical, true, false, three arguments. Whereas here you will be having logical test value if it is true. Again logical test value if true. So like this we can make use of if yes function. Enter. So I will double click on the bottom right corner so that fill handle will work. So you can observe here. So here the first player is consistent, then standard, experienced. So based on the condition, whatever conditions we have applied, it has taken. The next is batting average we will find. So for this we will use switch function. So batting average equal to switch function. This is a new function which is available from 2021 version. So high scorer. If it is greater than or equal to 120, he is a high scorer. So for that, first we will see what and all arguments we have. One is expression, then value one, then result. So expression is nothing but I am going to give as true. If condition matches, then check for this one. Otherwise, go for next. Again matches, check for this one. So now for high scorer, let me take this column F column. If it is greater than or equal to 120, then we will give as high scorer. So again, F2 is greater than or equal to 80, then he is a moderate scorer. Then if this is less than 80, that is best score is less than 80. So let me drag this. Then less than 80 means low scorer. That's it. So what and all we have applied? The first expression we are giving, that is true. If the condition is true, go for this. Otherwise, check for the next one. Otherwise, next one. Similar to it is a if function itself. Enter. So I'll drag this, shift down arrow, control D. So now we have completed all the columns with the help of if else, and switch function, which is very useful. If you are not able to understand, again rewind the video and keep watch until you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.